There's something wrong with my muffler.
You're in luck. Welcome to Orange County Muffler and Spa. That's how you polish a knob. Here at Orange County Muffler, we offer full service welding, mufflers, catalytic converters, and even if you need a makeover, we got you.
A little thirsty.
Stefan!
What do you mean it's through? What do you mean it's over? On the day I need to get a new muffler?
I could use a new muffler.
Cheer up, champ. We'll get you taken care of. Take a seat over there.
All right.
Stefan! At Orange County Muffler, we give you the works. Come on down, 949-548-5744. See me, Mullet Mike.